Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm here with a quick fun eye tutorial using the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly Palette. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then go ahead and keep on watching and let's get into the video. So for today's look, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly Palette, and if you watched my last video, it was my last video for the 12 Days of Christmas series that I did, I announced that I was going to be having a giveaway for this palette. I have another one unopened and I had some entries for that giveaway and I was able to choose the winner, and that winner is Catherine Vonnet, and I'm gonna go ahead and message her and get her information so that I can send this palette her way next week. Congratulations. I'm super excited for you and I'm excited to see any fun looks that you create. Hopefully you will tag me in them. Or because I did a giveaway with this palette, I thought that it would be fun to create a look using this palette. Maybe give a little bit of inspiration and some ideas. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So to start, I'm going to be using a large flat angled brush, and I'm going in with this shade down at the bottom. This is called Extra Creamy and it's just a nice creamy bone colored shade, and I'm just going to go ahead and sweep it under the brow, inner corner, and across the entire eyelid. Once I finish that, I'm going to go in with my large fluffy blending brush, if I could find it. That's not it. There it is. This is from Luxie and it's the Luxie 205 tapered blending brush, and if you've seen my channel at all, you know that this is pretty much my favorite brush of life. And I'm just going to go in with this shade right here. It's called Spread the Love. This makes a beautiful blush color as well. It's a nice light peachy shade, and I'm just going to work this into the crease as our first transition shade. Once I have that transition shade in place, I'm going to go in with a smaller tapered blending brush. This is the Luxie 229, and I'm going to go in with Peanut Butter, this shade right here. Just a nice brown peanut buttery shade. And I'm just going to lightly sweep this back and forth, just kind of deepening up the crease. Okay, so I've got both of those shades in place. Now what I'm going to take this shade right here. This is Jammin', and it's just this really deep plummy purple color. And I'm going to take, this is the 207 medium angled shading brush from Luxie. And I'm just going to get a little bit of this shade on my brush. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of just accentuate the outer V and a little bit of the crease, kind of making it a smoky look using this purple shade. Okay, so I have deepened up the look using that purple shade. I just worked it into the outer V area and into the crease, as you can see. And now I'm just going to zoom you guys in. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with that same purple shade and just kind of add just a little bit more just to deepen it up. And now going in with a small tapered blending brush, it's the Luxie 231. I'm going to go back in with Peanut Butter and just work it through the crease, just blending out the lines. Next, I'm going to go in with a flat shading brush. This is the Royal Langnickel BMD 466 brush, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here, Peanut Brittle. It's similar to Peanut Butter, except it's very shimmery and glittery. And I'm just going to apply this directly to the center of the lid. And now, because we lost some of that purple color doing that, I'm going to go back in with Jammin', that same purple shade, with the same brush, and just applying it to the outer corner. Now I'm going to take this shade right here. This is Bananas, and it's just a nice kind of gold color. Taking the same brush but flipping it to the other side, I'm just going to apply this on top of where we applied Peanut Brittle, just lightly tapping it on. And now for my under eye, I'm going to go in with Peanut Brittle with a smaller flat shading brush, and I'm just going to sweep it along the lower lash line. And then just to add a little bit more definition, I'm going to go in with Jammin' and just apply that to the outer corner of the bottom lash line. Now I'm going to go in with a dome-shaped brush. This is from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to go in with that same glittery gold shade Bananas and sweep it under my brow bone, as well as into the inner corner. Next, I'm just going to curl my lashes. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some eyeliner. I'm using the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black. It has a nice brush tip. It reminds me of Kat Von D's tattoo liner. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my mascara. I'm using Maybelline Lash Stiletto and also Maybelline Colossal Volume Express. Now for my tight line, I'm just going in with Urban Decay Waterline Eye Pencil in Legend. Alright, so there is the completed look using the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below. Again, congratulations, Catherine. I'm super excited for you, and I hope that you really enjoy your prize. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This